Hey there, quick review on these Energizer jumper cables. These are the best-selling jumper cables on Amazon. This set in particular is the 6-gauge, 16 feet long set. As you can see, it comes with a nice case, zips everything up. That way you can store them in your vehicle fine. It's even got a nice little handle. You can carry them if you want. The primary things you're gonna wanna look for with jumper cables is convenience as far as storage. Nice case, again, that box is checked. Then you want to take a look at your connectors. These are nice heavy-duty spring connectors. You're gonna be able to make good contact on a multitude of different points here, and they're nice and strong in the way that they're gonna latch on. You can see that they really bite down nicely. The next factor you're gonna wanna look at is what gauge of wire are you using. For a larger commercial vehicle, large trucks and things like that, you're gonna wanna have a little bit heavier gauge wire, whereas if you just are purchasing these for a small car, a lesser gauge wire that is a little bit thinner is gonna be fine. You also wanna keep in mind what length you're gonna want. Obviously, in certain situations, if you can't get a vehicle up close, having longer cables is nice. But I went with 16 feet long here. That's pretty ideal, and it's also a nice manageable size to keep in the vehicle. Overall, I think these are a nice set. They're gonna do exactly what they're supposed to and work really well. Bestseller on Amazon. That means they're a great overall value and have been for a long time. So if you're looking for a set of cables, I'm very pleased with these, and I'd recommend this Energizer set of jumper cables.